Oh my god, stop. Oh, good.
Yeah, call me patty cake, cause the way that ass shake, I'ma make them eat me out while I'm watching anime.
Nina, where's Grandma? Are we going to Grandma's house? Oh my gosh, you miss Grandma. Yeah.
And every time it rains, and it's from heaven.
Shooby-dooby!
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
We're watching the dog show. I'll be rooting for the Pomeranians today. Go Pomeranian! And I'm rooting for the Chihuahuas. Go Chihuahuas!
This is Reginald. He's a purebred Doberman Haversham. He costs $2,000 and we're on a waiting list for 2 years to get him. These are my babies, Chonko and Fuckass. I found them in a dumpster and I love them more than life itself.
Spending all my nights so long, waiting for me to call me. You're the only one I'll fall by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
Hey, I need to tell you, if you lick my face one more time, you are sleeping outside. You got that? You will sleep outside. Don't you do it.
Dumb.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. You're naked.
My last made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love if you.
Alright. Something I don't want in my face is in my face. Ow! Ow! Yeah! Yeah!
So this is rooting behavior for piglets.
What does that mean?
We built this house on memories. Take my picture now. Shake it till you see it.
Puppy love.
Puppy love.
I thought that I had fallen in love with you, but it was only puppy love.
Clay. Spit out that clay. That's not food. That's not food, Loki. Spit it out.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Gingerbread friend on the couch. I'm gonna tear you apart and get your squeaker out.
We don't own that dog, Linda.
Come on, it's okay. It's okay.
What?
I found this dog. I guess somebody dropped him off at my house. Double tap on him if I should keep him.
Did you eat the meatballs on the counter? Oh, you did, huh? Yeah, you did.
Oh God, I miss you too. It's all I ever do. I'm coming back to you.
You go outside? You go outside? Then go outside. Then go outside.
We promise we never gonna poop on the floor again.
With it, group drop.
So this was an enjoyable bath alone until, hello, someone joined me. Now we're gonna have to get out. Yeah. Yeah, hi.
I'm a crackhead, I'm a crackhead, I want your bread, hey. If you don't wanna see me, did a full 180.
Somebody please kill me, like just chop my head off.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see.